gonna be a drag race. We've got a 240 brake horsepower Type R, Teguet intake, RBC inlet manifold, spoon exhaust kit, Jap speed 421 manifold, and it's lowered on
coilovers,
BC coilovers. Wow. 240 brake horsepower against infamous Type R. You can see which one's more fast at drag race. Quick sound check. So now we're going to see which car is faster out of the both. Yeah.
Good race there. What's your money on? The black or the silver?
Gotta go with the boy, innit?
That was mad.
I jumped that slightly though.
That was mad though, man. That was mad.
Still keeps up.
Yeah. That was mad.
Yeah, still keeps up for it.
Let's go again. Okay, right. So 1, 2, 3, go. Huh?
Give you that.
Yeah.
Give you that. That was much better on your car.
Yeah.
110%.
Huh?
You want 101?
You wanna?
That's our 3.
Go on. I'll go over there. Go on. So 1, 1, 2, go.
You know what it is?
Go on.
You know when at first,
Yeah.
then your wheel speed. As soon as I get the grip on second, then I'm gone.
You're gone after that.
And it's the end.
It's all about the grip, innit?
It is though. But I think fair play to your car though. It's alright.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's the best one I've had. Best one I've had, man. Cause everything, like, it just goes well, man. I've driven some Type R's lower mileage, don't do well, but it's been looked after. 1, 2. Stock car, man. Yeah, decat, straight pipe, that's it, nothing counts, man.
Standard manual.
You wash the engine in it, that's why.
Oh, I washed the engine. I washed the engine.
I had like grease on my car.
I washed the engine.
That makes sense.
That was mad.
Marshall, I can't strong.
A second gear, I was like holding on there, I didn't even know.
Nah, that was my first gear.
Yeah.
What, when we were rolling?
Yeah, rolling.
First, I didn't roll on second.
Yeah.
I don't even notice, but from first onto second, if you're gonna, let's say, double clutch it into second, you'll still be staying in VTEC. And then you can go straight.
Yeah.
Whereas on the when I think it was the third run we came this way, that one was a no for me straight away. I downshifted and went straight out of VTEC, then went into VTEC, and then I got you.
It's tough, man. It's tough, man.
Yeah, your car's good though.
That's good, man. That was good, man.
That was very good.
Crazy adrenaline, innit, when you're in the car.
Oh, yeah, you feel
crazy, innit?
yeah.
It's high blood scores, crazy, man.
Now I don't mind you recording because I took the W. Now I don't mind.
I'll be back, don't worry. I'll be back. I see now. Your VTEC kicks in so early, and that's it, man.
Yeah, that's
I still can't feel the kick. I'm like, why are you going away from me? And then it kicks in.
It's too late by then. That's the thing. Like when the gap's there, then your car kicks in. Then by then it's too late, unless like I miss shift or something.
Yeah.
Then you could gain on me, but.
Love the bro though. You were down, man. I rate you. I just asked.
I'm not gonna say no.
You were down,
I'm not
man.
gonna say no.
Love,
Anybody
love,
calls me out,
man, love.
I'm gonna be like, yo, let's go.
I'm always down for
Regardless,
that.
time,
I'm
day.
always down for that.
Time or day, I don't mind. As long as it's not raining, I'm always gonna say yes.
Same. Bro, that
If it's
is
raining,
that
I'm like,
is me
nah.
all over. Raining, never.
It's the real deal.
MashaAllah, you're right. Yes, Kasim. Wow. MashaAllah, okay. Sounds crazy, yeah, man. Sick Mazda right there.
You like tens. It's got to be tens. I can't see launch.
4-wheel drive, innit?
Yeah.
10s all day.
Yeah, easy. Yeah. Got
All
launch
day.
control. You got
Trust
anti-lag,
me.
but we never have anti-lag switch on. So it ain't that good of a thing, to be fair.
That is nuts, that is.
We're not expecting a car like this to be running that power.
I have loads of people just looking at it and see an old man with a beer driving
Yeah,
along.
driving
That's the
it
best thing.
along.
That's the best thing. Yeah, that's it. And then like, I'll be down the motorway. I had a Porsche 911 Turbo. Sort of got behind me. And I say to my son, I went, I don't know what he's thinking he's doing. So every time he comes closer to me, I said, give me a little bit. To the next diesel.
That is mad. I'd put diesel mad
Yeah,
on
I
it.
was
I
going to
would.
put T-block on that though. They put TBI on the back of it.
When it gets busy, then people like come in, you know.
Make sure we do a good job on the
Yeah, mainly. Featuring by Khalid.
Featuring Khalid.
Featuring Khalid.
Got 190 subscribers now, you know.
Get him to 1,000. Ricky, we're washing your car, Ricky.
Oh.
Save for next video.